Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change measurement system in Flow app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flow application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Flow app? You can find the Flow app on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flow app and follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install the app. After installing, it's going to take you to the sign up page for Flow app. Follow through the on-screen prompt to either log in or to sign up. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flow app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change measurement system in Flow app. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you see the avatar icon. So click on the avatar icon, and that's going to take you right into the avatar window. So over here you have graphs and reports, cycle and evaluation, you have settings, you have access code, you have reminders, and you have help. So go ahead and click on settings. Now right here you have the metric system, and you have a toggle right there. It is toggled on. If you want to disable the metric system, just go ahead and click on that, toggle it off, and that's going to be disabled. So if the metric system has been enabled, which is here, you'll be able, which of course I've done right here, so you'll be able to log more than 50 symptoms right there in the home page of your Flow app, and you'll be able to check the graphs. You'll be able to check your login details in the graphs and reports option right here. But if this is disabled, then you will not be able to log more than 50 symptoms, and the entire app is going to be changed. So let's say if it is toggled off, you're going to see a different result. And if it is toggled on, you're going to see a different result. So this is pretty much how you can change the measurement system in Flow app. You can now go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.